Can a court refuse a divorce order even if the marriage has irretrievably broken down? This was the question posed in the case of Schwartz versus Schwartz, a landmark South African court case from 1984. The couple in question, Mr. and Mrs. Schwartz, had been married for 10 years and had 2 children. After a decade together, Mr. Schwartz filed for divorce, alleging that the marriage had irretrievably broken down. Mrs. Schwartz, however, denied this claim. Despite her protestations, the court found in favor of Mr. Schwartz. However, the initial court, known as the court a quo, declined to grant a divorce order. They suggested that the Schwartz couple should attempt reconciliation. Undeterred, Mr. Schwartz appealed this decision, taking the case to the Supreme Court of Appeal. At this higher level, the Supreme Court of Appeal ruled that the court a quo did not have the discretion to refuse a divorce order once it had been established that the marriage had irretrievably broken down. They based this decision on the Divorce Act of 1979, the prevailing law at the time, which did not empower courts to deny a divorce order under any circumstances. Thus, the Supreme Court of Appeal overturned the decision of the court a quo, granting Mr. Schwartz his requested divorce order. The Schwartz versus Schwartz case is of great significance. It established that South African courts do not have the discretion to refuse a divorce order, even if they believe the parties should attempt reconciliation. This means that if a spouse proves that the marriage has irretrievably broken down, they are entitled to a divorce, irrespective of the other spouse's objections. In essence, the ruling in the case of Schwartz versus Schwartz means that if you wish to secure a divorce in South Africa and can prove that the marriage has irretrievably broken down, the court cannot compel you to remain married. This is regardless of your spouse's wishes or the court's belief that reconciliation might be possible. It's a cornerstone of South African divorce law that continues to hold sway today.